Thank you for joining me today as we take an in-depth look at how to find a good equine chiropractor. First and foremost, they should be prompt, professional, and polite to both you and your horse. As a horse owner myself, I feel that anybody who treats horses should show them the utmost of respect. The first thing that your equine chiropractor should do while taking a very thorough history is to do a visual examination. The person you choose should look at the horse's conformation, check for shoeing issues, take a look at hair coat and eyes, check to see if there's any symptoms of endocrine disorders, as well as evaluating the overall attitude. A thorough chiropractic evaluation should be done prior to adjusting the horse. They should examine the mouth to rule out dental issues being the primary cause of discomfort, as this won't allow the horse to hold their adjustment for any length of time. They should move on to palpate the entire head and neck, going through the spine to the sacroiliac and hips. This comprehensive exam will allow the horse to exhibit any areas of pain that need to be addressed during the adjustment. Next, the chiropractor should perform his or her adjustments by working through the entire horse from the head to the tail. They should adjust the atlas, the pole, the TMJ, and the hyoid. From there, they would move on to adjust C2 all the way through C7 and the first two ribs. Now I'd like to give you an example of the best way to adjust an upper neck. It's very important to watch for a horse to lick and chew after each adjustment. This indicates that the adjustment was done properly. All four legs should be picked up and palpated to check for sensitivity of the tendons and ligaments, as well as heel pain. This is a great time to evaluate the farrier work, and the owner can be informed of any sprung shoes, missing or bent nails. It's important to note with the joints of the front and back leg, the shoulder, elbow, knee, fetlock, as well as hip, stifle, and hock, these joints can only be adjusted in a non-weight-bearing position. Then the chiropractor should move on to adjust the withers, the vertebrae, and the ribs, finishing with the sacroiliac and tail. If you ever feel uncomfortable with anything that the chiropractor is doing, you should tell the practitioner to stop. Finally, the most important tip I can leave you with is that the person that you choose to work on your horse should know when not to adjust it. Thank you for taking the time today to learn more about what to look for in a good equine chiropractor. I'm Dr. Mark DePaolo from All Star Equine, brought to you by DePaolo Equine Concepts.